I'm with her since... How great. I don't want to lose her. Last time we had a party and she was kissing with other men. You're speaking with her. She was kissing with other men. She said to me she could push him away. I knew that was a lie. I gave her one more... You gave her one more chance. What the hell are you, wussy? I know there was a lie. I gave her one more... She was good for 2-3 weeks. Then suddenly she didn't want to talk to me. What should I do? I love her, Dino. I won't listen. Man, you are fucking wussy. Pichka. I don't wanna offend you, but you drive Audi. But how old are you, man? How she was kissing with another boyfriend? You know what does that mean? She's sick of you. She wants another boy. I told you, man. It's over. More you're gonna grab her, more she's gonna go away from you. She's not right girlfriend for you guys. I know it's hard. I was that place. I was begging, crying. I was telling stupid things, everything. And at the end, what happened? I was just making my bad feelings take longer. But when I figure out she has a new boyfriend, umrijeću, ali zvat te neću. And that means I'm gonna die, but I'm never gonna call you. And I was like having a heart pain for 2-3 years, man. Heart pain. I went to gym. I became like bodybuilder, man. Then I had so many girlfriends. And now she's 35, looks like a grandma, man. And I still have 18 years old girlfriends if I wanna. It's over. Deal with it. It's hard, but you're gonna make it. She's getting away, so that's why the perfect one's gonna come in her place. The perfect one. All those girls are gonna go away, so the perfect one can come on that place. She's not right for you. She's a whore. You should slap her face next time you see her kissing with another boyfriend. Be a man. Get your balls up and ditch that whore. You're gonna need some time, half a year, you're gonna get another girlfriend. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna say, thank you God I lost that whore. That's my advice. Take it or leave it. What's up, Pure? Dino, I've been playing... Oh, Valvkan. Okay, game doesn't wanna start. Game doesn't wanna start, man. No, you don't need to ignore her. You need to ditch her. She cheated on you once. She's cheating. That wasn't the first time, man. You just saw her first time. She's gonna cheat you more. She's not in love with you. She's with you because she feels sorry for you. Because she's so long with you. And if you are with 8th grade, she got used to it. She's making her mind. She's growing up. She wants to do something new. That's the life, man.